Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add 3D cartoon effect in CapCut video editor. Alright, select your photo you want to edit because this effect can only use for photos. Alright, copy the photo, just tap on the clip, select copy, and for the second one you can select the style and select portrait, and you can find 3D cartoon, so just click on it. Just wait for playing, just click check marks. So you can add the transition, so looking for then and now, click check marks. Here we go, this is the final effect you'll have on your video, and you can also add the audio you like. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.